So the way life insurance works is it gives you a advance, usually a pretty big advance. Problem with that is that when you get a big advance like that, typically there's no renewal rate. So when they renew their policy on year 2, you're not really getting paid anything. If you are, it's very little, like, sometime usually under 1.5%. But also, if somebody cancels a policy before they've had it for a year, all that money has to get paid back to the life insurance company commission that you got. Those clawbacks can be pretty detrimental to a new agent.
Because you're upfronted the money before the person is paying each month. So if the money's not there each month, then the insurer wants it back because they're not a client anymore.
And typically a life insurance company, they take it right back out of your bank account.
And if they don't, they'll take it out of your next commission. Or sometimes it happens where, agents come in, they fire off a bunch of life policies. It's not good business. It doesn't stay in the books. It's gone. And then you deal with things like debt, where they're no longer allowed to be contracted with a carrier to pay off their debt, or their upline gets it rolled up to them.
Yeah, a lot of times the upline will incur that debt and have to pay it back if an agent wrote a bunch of bad business and had a bunch of clawbacks.
Basically, wrote the business and ran.
Health insurance, though, is a little bit different. Health insurance, you get paid residually, which usually means there's no advance. But the plus side to that is there's no clawbacks. If someone cancels their policy, you're just not getting that monthly residual anymore.
Right.
So it's safer business.
Health insurance can offer an advance, but you're not dealing with the same person who isn't looking to cut costs. You're dealing with somebody who's going to stay on the plan because they need their medications covered, they need their doctors in network.
The rate for clawback or cancellations, I should say, on health insurance versus life insurance it's not even comparable.
Especially the way that we do things. If you put the person on the right product, you're not dealing with somebody coming off the plan.
Yeah, they're keeping it.
They're keeping the plan because you put them in the right place to begin with. If you put somebody on the wrong product, well, of course they'd cancel, but the way that we do things, our system here, we make sure that when we meet people and their clients that come to us, we put them in the right spot the first time.